21 servings. 2,310 calories. Certified gluten-free. Perfect for food storage, emergencies, survival, camping, and everyday use. Up to a 25-year shelf life. Top reviews from the United States. I really love these products. I purchased this product for emergencies as well as for my everyday use. I am a senior and only have myself to cook for. I do very little cooking, so potatoes tend to spoil before I use them. I decided it's cheaper all around if I buy my dried potatoes and various other vegetables for emergencies as well as my everyday use. I only have to hydrate what I will eat and I don't have to worry about storage or running to the store every time I want to pick up fresh veggies, etc. I was able to get rid of my freezer as well, as I never seemed to use foods that I had prepared, or had bought frozen.